Hello, everybody. I'm at the twin vending machine place again. Okay, a lot of new colors. This Jaguar F-Type is nice. The Dodge Lil Express in white. The Batmobile. What else is new? Okay, this 75 Chevy Blazer I've shown you before. And then we have these two Hot Wheels Premium, the Alfa Romeo GTV and the Land Rover, which is nice. Something that I am tempted to buy, but it's just another recolor. Am I right? That's the black one from Fast and Furious. Okay, behind this, I believe Dodge is a BMW 6 Series, a new casting. Let me zoom. There you go. Okay, outside here we have premium stuff, Liberty Walk, Mini GT, Tarmac Works, Pop Race, the Majorette edition, more Pop Race, Kaido House, this Pop Race Mitsubishi is very nice. Okay, let's see the other vending machine. Nothing new. DeLorean with white wheels. Chevrolet. Some Transformers. A Majorette, Kara Drift, Nissan Skyline. Okay. Moving parts at the side. Morris Minor is nice, but I have to paint the window frame orange, some color that I don't have. Hot Wheels Premium Toyota Supra is at inflated price. Johnny Lightning, I have no idea what car is this. Chevy something at reduced price. Mini GT Tomica getting very cheap. Maybe because nobody wants to buy them. The food truck, the house trailer, and the tram. So thank you for watching. I won't be buying anything this round, even though this is quite nice. But I'm not sure how am I going to improve it. And so is this. But I have a lot already. Land Rovers from Hot Wheels mainline, red, white, green, black. So I won't be buying yellow. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.